Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am back with another unboxing. I feel like this month I got so many boxes back to back. So yeah, I did the base and premium video, also the mystery box from Huda Beauty, but today we're going to be unboxing Boxyluxe for the month of March. And as you see, the theme is lucky, so hopefully I got a lucky box. This one retails for $313, and as you know, this is an upgrade and this one costs $50. I did get this one from PR, so I got this one sent to me, so I am truly honored and thankful and grateful that I got this box. So what I'm going to do is open it and try out, show you the products that I received from this box. So let's see, and that way you have an idea what the variation may be depending on the two products that you selected. So let's go ahead and get started. Today, the first thing that I received was this palette. I'm not sure if everybody's going to be getting it. I feel like everybody's going to be getting this palette. This is from Be Beauty, and the palette is called Barbarella. And at first when I saw it, I wasn't too impressed with it because it's only just a few matte shades. But after I played and I did my eye makeup look when I did the unboxing for Huda Beauty, I was impressed with it. It was pretty easy to do. And then today I did this eye makeup look also using this palette. So because I already did two different eye makeup look and then another one from box, what I'm going to do is a separate video showing you guys a tutorial using both of these palettes. So wait for them. So I really like it. The only thing is that there's not that many matte shades there, but the shimmers I was impressed with. So I believe the price for that palette is $50. The second one I want to talk about is the Glow Recipe serum. This is a serum that I've been wanting ever since I've been hearing how well it hydrates your skin. And look how cute this is. Sometimes depending on the serum, it could just stay on the surface of your skin, but guys, this has five different weights of hyaluronic acid, so it's gonna penetrate in different layers of your skin. So that's why you're gonna be getting a lot of hydration from within. So I am loving the formula. I am loving the claims, so I just can't wait to try it, and I'm excited that we are all going to be getting this in our Boxyluxe. So let's go ahead and try it out. I don't know if it has a scent. It feels like water. It feels super lightweight, and that's something that I like about Glow Recipe, that most of the products feel so very lightweight. And even though I have oily skin and even sensitive skin, it does not give me, or my skin doesn't look heavy, or it does not look oily. So I love that, and I'm excited to add another product from Glow Recipe in my skincare routine. So guys, I am so excited for this product. So how much does this product cost? If you will buy this on its own, this will be $42. So I think that's already paying for this box. Next item that I got is from Fenty Beauty, and as you know, this is your first choice item. I feel like choice was pretty good. The first choice, there was so many great options there. I didn't know which one to pick, but I knew for a fact I wanted this foundation. This foundation, I already said this in my spoilers, is one that I love, and I just ran out about a month ago, maybe a month and a half already. And I was about to purchase one, and once I saw this was going to be a choice item, I said, you know what, I'm getting this box, and I'm glad that I got this. This is Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter Soft Matte. I love this foundation I am wearing today. I did a few reviews once the first time this came out. I compared it with other foundations that I had, like Kat Von D and also Huda Beauty. I love it, and I was ready to buy it, but I'm glad that it's in this box. And this foundation cost $36. And one thing I love, that this time for your choice item, you was able to select up to 50 shades. So all of the shades that Fenty Beauty carry was available for you to choose from in the choice. What I like is that this is a buildable foundation, so you could actually put a little bit if you just want a little bit, and you could just add a little bit more. I love the consistency. Is very runny, so it just blends in really quickly, and I really love the coverage. I love how it looks, and it lasts for so many hours. So yeah, this is soft matte, and it just gives you like a nice glow. So I love this foundation. Another keeper, and just with these two items, it totally paid off for the box, and everything else is going to be a bonus in my opinion, because these two I am loving. So let's go ahead and move on to see what is the next item. And the next item that I got is Rose and Quartz hair mask. This is a hair mask. It's gonna refresh and rejuvenate your mind, your hair, and spirit with daily to weekly treatments while you're meditating on the aromas of rose water and sweet violet. So let's go ahead and check how. Oh, this is pretty. It's very soft, it's liquidy. It's not that, it does have a nice soft scent, and let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh. It also feels very light for it to be a hair mask, and it does smell really nice. So I'm excited to try this hair mask. So how cute is this? I'm excited to try this product. I always like getting hair products in my Boxyluxe, because at first I was not liking that at all. I just wanted I just wanted skincare and makeup. But once I started trying products, I've seen improvement in my hair. So I am loving, I'm excited to try more hair products too. Then we got Solange Frios Icy Gloves Facial Massager. This one retails, guys, for $60. I am not sure. I did not know that was expensive. How expensive this is. So they are here, and as you know, this is something that we've been seeing a lot by influencers using this. They love it because it could actually depuff. It's going to depuff the face, not just the eyes, the face, the eye area. It's going to reduce breakouts, shrink pores, and minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is super exciting to try, but I did not know it was that expensive. So yeah, this is exciting that we're getting this product in our boxes. But then again, if you did not want that, the good thing is that that was a choice item. So then when we open it, look how cute, guys, these are. And they're so heavy too. How cute are these? These are so cute. But $60, I just can't believe that's how much it is. I wonder if you guys selected that as your choice item. So let's go ahead and move on with the other item that I got, and this is KB, the Beacon Beauty Lock It Edge Foundation Brush. This brush is number 10. This one retails for $34, and here is the brush. I am not going to open it because I am going to save this for a giveaway. I actually have a brush that I got a long time ago, and I believe this was in Boxyluxe as well. I don't know if it was Boxyluxe or Ipsy, and I love this brush. I really like this makeup brush, this foundation brush. So this one, I'm gonna save it for a giveaway. Then I got a product from Dominique Cosmetics. I was not expecting this at all. The shade that it is called Crush. Really cute, the packaging, and this one is called Define Lip Liner. So this is a lip liner. Look at the packaging, look at the color there, and then this is how it looks like. Let's see how much this product is. This one costs $18, and this says that this is going to have a narrow, it's going to be narrow at the tip for precision and wider at the bottom to fill. Ooh, let's see what this is infused with. This is infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E. It's going to protect from free radicals. Loving that word. Boost circulation, and it's going to smooth fine lines and keep your lips pillowy soft. This silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable you forget you're wearing it. I really like that. That's something that I like, that you feel like you're not wearing anything. And I'm gonna swatch it here. It's a nice color, and it's called, the color is Crush. So very cute, very cute. I'm excited for this actually. Lip liner is very different, and I feel like with this you just don't need maybe anything else. And last I got is, I don't know if it's called Amina or AM&H skincare. This is called Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. This costs $42. It comes in a glass jar, and this is 24 karat gold with glitter stars lip plumping mask. Will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. How cute is this? This mask is gonna last forever. You just need a little bit, and ooh, it does have that mint scent there. It is so pretty. I'm gonna pick some from the lid, and you just get a lot of glitter there. I'm telling you, this is gonna last forever. So let's go ahead and swatch that here. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. What a crazy mask, right? This is all self-love, taking care of yourself, for your hair, and now for your lips, for your face with the ice globes, hydrating your skin with Glow Recipe. Yes guys, I am loving this box, this variation. Now, one thing I really wanted to see in the box was those cute little sponges from Beauty Bakeries. Those sponges, I was hoping everybody was gonna get that, because I think that is so cute, perfect for Easter too. But if it's in the add-on store, I think I might get that, because I think that was so cute. But I do like this box. I do like this variation. Everything is like something that is gonna, I think it's gonna help take care of yourself even more. So guys, this is my variation. This one, like I mentioned, this one retails for, the retail value was $313. Do I like this box? Yes, I like this box. I like this variation. Most of these things are a keeper, things that I was about to buy and I wanted to really try. So yeah, I'm liking this box. So thank you guys for watching this video, spending some of your time with me. I truly appreciate that. I love reading your comments. They truly make my day. So thank you so much for that and for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.